Hello everyone, very good afternoon to one and all. Welcome back to the Vijita Rajkumar online classes for all the my dear aspirants. Today I would like to give you some of the important questions as well as a model question paper 30% deleted content for the computer science first year students. Okay, let me see the one by one. We don't have any time, so that is the reason. I don't have any content to upload you people. So that is the reason I have taken little bit of time. So even though whatever I got the information based on that only I would like to take the video on this. Okay, so let me see the one by one. So like here the first of all you have to know about the like a syllabus of the computer science first year students. Okay, this is of like a how many like a part. Okay, computer science first like this is a part where I don't know party and all. So here the paper one computer fundamental and MS Office theory will be there. In this like a four like a six units will be there. So this is the if you see the weightage of the always we have to see the weightage of the marks. Sometimes the questions may come based on this weightage of the marks only. So if we don't have any time, so we can go through the weightage of the marks. So here now weightage of marks, if you see the MS word, third unit is very important here. If you see the third unit, so here like a third unit, if you see like how many weightage will be there here, like a 18 marks weightage will be there. So in paper one, computer fundamental and MS Office, in these six units will be there. In third unit, you may get the 18 marks. You feel thorough with the MS word. So your 18 marks will be there in your hand. It's clear. So next coming to the like first and foremost thing is the third unit you have to focusing you have to give the importance, and next one is the MS Excel 16 marks will be there. Okay, 16 marks. Next coming to the MS Access. Okay, 6 unit, this is a 10 marks weightage will be there. It's clear. So next coming to the like a second unit and third unit also equally you can give the preference. It's clear. Here, how many units are there in computer science first year students in paper one? Tomorrow you are going to write the computer fundamental and MS Office. No, 16 units will be there. You have to focusing on the MS Word third unit. You may get the 18 marks weightage will be there here. And next coming to the like a so next coming to the MS Excel, 16 marks weightage will be there, and equal preference you have to give the MS Access also sixth unit, and remaining the first unit, second unit as well as the fifth unit also. Okay, if you thorough with the like a third unit, fourth like a MS Word, MS Excel, and MS Access, definitely you will pass. If you want to get the more marks, you will thorough with the remaining units also. It's clear na? Okay. Okay, next coming the total here the say 68 marks the question paper will be prepared for 16 8 marks, but you have to attempt 40 marks and all. Okay, but don't get confusion, don't get any confusions. Okay, so here the section A 2 marks questions will be there, section B 66 marks questions will be there, how the GFC you have written like that only the all the vocational papers like that only will be 2 marks questions will be there and 6 marks questions will be there. Overall 15 marks weight 15 marks question paper will be prepared. So here the like a syllabus of the like a unit 1 introduction to computer systems and hardware. So this is the syllabus. First of all, I'm requesting all the students, please try to know the concept regarding the any unit. If you don't know the content including the if you don't know the if the you may get this is question, but you don't know about this and all. So what you have to do, already you know very well about the introduction to computer systems and all. Now if you thorough with this introduction, so definitely you are unable to write this question also, you can write it little bit, answer 2 or 3 lines instead of leaving the question, isn't it? So next coming to the so these are the one more like a wait. So in first unit there is no deleted content, everything you have to read and one. Okay, and next coming to the unit 2. So in unit 2 also some of the topics are deleted here. So here the dark mark will be the line. No, this is the topics are deleted, no need of read. Okay, in second unit the only this topic is only deleted. Next coming to the third unit, in third unit up to here there is no deleted content. So next coming to the continuation of the third unit, here the third unit is a very important, I don't know. Okay, 18 marks weightage will be there. So here the some of the topics are deleted like using graphics. So these topics are deleted. No need of read. Next coming to the MS Excel, in up to here there is no deleted content. Okay, up to here. So working with the macros, this pivot tables, these all the topics are deleted. No need to read. Next MS PowerPoint. This is also very important unit. You may get the 16 marks weightage will be there. Thorough with the fifth unit. There is no deleted content in this fifth unit. Next coming to the sixth unit. This is the MS Access. This is also very important. Like a fourth unit, fifth unit, sixth unit. These are 3 units are very important. In this unit, like a creating say like a creating forms and reports. These are deleted content, so no need of read and all. It's clear na. So next coming to the here, I will show the question paper. Okay, model question paper I will show you. Okay, so here the answer all the questions. Each question carries 2 marks, like a computer fundamentals and MS Office theory. 50 marks, 50 marks question paper. 2 marks question. Section A carries 2 marks. Section B carries 6 marks questions. What is a computer? What is control panel? What is autocorrect? What is Therasus? What is formatting text? What is spreadsheet? What are the shortcuts keys for bold, italic, underline? What is PowerPoint presentation? What is DBMS? What is filter? Write about generations of computers. What is draw the block diagram of digital computer and explain each unit in it. Okay, explain where the various hardware components of a computer. Sixth, Linux commands with syntax with example. Write about mail merge. Write about find and replace commands. Explain about functions in MS Excel. Explain about various charts. Steps to create, save, and preview a presentation. Okay, terms, tuple, attribute, cardinality, degree, and domain relations. So these are the some of the model, like a model question paper. Okay, so whatever I have given content, no, you have to thorough with the syllabus. You have to leave the deleted condition. Remaining questions you have to thorough with. I told no, like a fifth unit, sixth unit, MS Office, MS Excel, MS Word. These are all three very very important units. You have to thorough with. Don't leave any questions and all. Remaining also you have to thorough. Okay, it's clear now. So all the best, very very all the very best. I don't have enough time, so sorry for the delayed display, uploading this video. Okay, so all the very best. Don't get any confusions, don't stress. So 2 or 3 times you have to read. Okay, if you don't leave any questions, if you know the introduction regarding this unit, if any questions will come to the from the particular unit, at least you can write regarding this unit and all. It's clear now. And 6 marks questions you have to write the tables, diagrams, or whatever it may be. Okay, it's clear. Don't leave any long questions also. At least try to remind that, try to like try to recollect, try to remember the side headings. Okay, it's clear. So sorry for the delay. So many students are requested me. Okay, anyhow, so thanks for watching my channel. Have a nice day. All the best once again.